So tomorrow we're getting the updated all the temporaries data, and I want to show you how you can look through it even before temporary starts. You will need Python installed, and then on GitHub you just come here and then download the zip. Once it's downloaded, extract it, and you'll get this. Now you need the game files from Dofus, game options, game folder, open game folder in data, common. You have pretty much all the data there's in Dofus, from idols, maps, servers, spells, whatever it is here. So I'll just go with sub areas, copy it, and then put it in input here. Uh, and then you go to this, type CMD, hit enter, and it will open CMD right here. Um, Now you can run a Python script like this, unpack, alright, and it unpacks sub areas. It puts the output in output, and then it's a JSON, so we can read this pretty easily. So first area of ID1 has this name ID. Um, it's part of this area. It has map IDs like this. All those are map IDs from it. Bounds. It has sphere shape, whatever. And it's a level 15 map area, sub area actually. It contains these kind of monsters in it. It assigns these quests. This is the quest ID, and this is the map ID where you can get the quest. NPCs, and like let's take NPCs. You can find them in here in NPC somewhere. NPCs. So if you would open this and look for this ID or this ID, you'd find those NPCs, their name and probably everything about them. The kind of research you can get from there, and there's also a zap on this map. Um, Now I've seen like there's so each one of those, wait a second, has a name, right? Name ID. Um, Wait, this one is better. So the one with ID 3 has this name ID, and now we can look for this name in all the. So this is like the translation, the text of everything that is in Dofus. It's in here. We cannot open this. Just copy it, and put it together with all those scripts. And now we open CMD again, to Python D2I unpack, and now we have to also specify the name of this one. So it will be English D2I and hit enter. Alright, it unpacked it. This is JSON and it contains all the text there is in Dofus to be read. From like names to quest lines to everything. So we look for this name ID in here, control find. Okay, there it is. And it appears to be Inglas's Fields. Probably misspelled that very badly, but doesn't matter. And yeah, so this is one area. There are others. It is another one. Let's look for this. Amakna Forest. So yeah, and that's how you can pretty much figure everything out. You just look for those IDs, look in the data for that type of data. So look for maps um, to find the map ID, and for monsters to find the monster ID and whatever. And then you go to translation You search for the name ID or description ID in some cases, and it will make sense. Well, that's about it. There are more efficient ways to do this other than manually, of course, with code, but that's out of the scope. Um, Tomorrow, probably evening, some French data miners will actually post pretty much everything that they find, all the monsters and their spells, and a lot of information which is well organized with also with icons, not just names. Um, but if you don't want to wait until evening to see that, and you actually want to find some stuff with your own hands, well, that's the method to do it, the simple one at least. Um, Also, yeah, that's it. Um, you'll find the links to those to what you need in the description. And good luck, contemporaries, and may you catch them all. Bye.